everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over part 2 of the Shim Sham Shimmy. So I've gone over part 1, steps 1 through 4. Now I'm going to go over part 2 for you. So part 2 is a lot like part 1, but instead of doing those breaks in between some of the steps, you're going to now take that out, and when you do part 2, you're going to hold for that 8 count. So let me run you through it here a little bit. So you're going to start with step 1, the Shim Sham, starting right foot, 8, 1. From here, you would usually go into that break, right? You're going to take that out now, and instead of doing that break, you're going to do just a stomp and hold. So you're going to go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you're going to start the crossover part on your right foot on 8. So now from here, 7, 8, start on your right, 8, 1. Oops, excuse me, that was too many. You're going to go stomp, step, step, heel. There we go. Couldn't get the rhythm. Then just the step heels. Now you're going to go straight into the Tack Annie right foot. Again. One more. And here's where you would go into another break, but instead you're going to do that stomp on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here, the half break, starting on your right foot. 8, 1. Here's where you would do another break. Instead, just a stomp. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, half break. And then another stomp. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's as simple as that. It's a lot like the original part 1. But instead of like part 1 doing the breaks, you're now taking them out, stomping and holding. Okay, let's try it all together now. So anywhere you would put a break, just put that stomp. Here we go from the very top, starting on 8. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Now Tack Annie. One more time. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half break. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half break again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nicely done. So let's try a little bit faster now. So same deal, taking out the breaks, starting on 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 8, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Here's the break. 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then from there you would move on into part 3. So part 2 comes straight after part 1, right after that half break of part 1. So it's right after you would jump right into it. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.